I would love to hear a piece of your music.
Yeah, absolutely.
What should I listen to?
You should listen to Juicy.
Juicy?
Yeah.
Juicy.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's about butts.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's about...
Yeah, it's about butts.
Oh, am I the planet? Oh my god. Hold on, bitch. Oh my god.
Doja. Doja Cat.
Nice to meet you.
I like butts and I think about butts, and I felt like making a butt song because I made a booby song. So I was like, all right, let me just make a butt song.
How did you get your name?
I smoked a lot of weed when I was like 16 when I started making music. And I thought the name Doja, because Doja is another word for weed. You know, I thought it sounded cute, like a girl's name, sort of, so I picked Doja.
It's a lovely name.
And then I just put Cat because I like cats.
I think it's a lovely
Thank
name.
you.
It's a lovely name.
Meow. Meow.
You like the Doja with the cat? Oh, you've got a cat.
So it means
What's the
like
name of your
he
cat?
liked the
All of those times I give my snacks to you.
You like to eat.
Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried.
You like to eat.
All of those times I give my fries to you.
You like to eat.
My hot fries. My hot fries.
Return of the snack.
Eat it.
Return of the snack.
Come on.
Return of the
Oh
snack.
my God.
Boy, you know you want a snack.
Yeah, I am.
Return of the snack.
One thing I
Return of the snack. Return of the snack. Boy, you know.
Amazing.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that, because that I don't want to think about it. Just next.
What was that era like? Why don't you want to think about it?
Because my wigs were trash. I never knew what glue was. I had to glue my wigs down. I didn't glue my wigs down. Now I glue my wigs down onto my face, and now they stay where they need to be. And back then, I didn't know that was a thing.
I got spells on a bitch with potions. Nigga, I need devotion. Telling me this and that, the third, that shit for the birds I'm ghosting. If you don't dive in the pussy like dolphins, if you don't dive in the pussy like oceans, pussy look out in the color like oceans. Nigga, don't pussy be open, nigga won't slide on the pussy like ocean.
Make you horny, baby.
That's my ego that you stroking. Nigga, don't laugh cause the pussy ain't joking. Nigga, go splash when the pussy be soaking. Where that nigga who don't play mine? You got a fake gold chain on. Tryna speak game, but I'm on my way out. Where that nigga, man, way out. That play on my pussy, don't play on my emotions.
Bitch, I'm not scared of a coronavirus or the beer version of that shit. I'm gonna get corona and then I'm gonna get a corona. Cause I don't give a fuck about corona, bitch. It's a flu. I would literally, I'm not scared. I'm not scared. Y'all are pussy. Period. You just take some Mucinex and
drink water and tea and sleep. That's all you gotta do. Y'all are so scared of some damn corona. Y'all are so scared of corona that I need a corona.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
And I was like, bitch, that is genius. I got a cheeseburger. Fucking vegans. I don't hate vegans. I just don't give a fuck that you're vegan. Stop shoving it down my fucking throat. I don't care. Great what you're doing. Thank you for helping the cows and the stuff and the ants and the fucking fruit flies and shit. That's great. Do that. And I'm really happy for you. Keep doing it because I like animals. But I also eat them. So
Make that cake. You bitches suck, give him an udder. Doors open, vertically, car flutter. Mars native, Margella, motherfucker. Mark my words, hit the billion like I'm Mark Zucker. Big news, talking our Tom Tucker. Sugar mama, turn you to a dumb sucker. 9 zeros, still a really big number. These bitches wouldn't get jack, get lumber. More water, needs milk, needs sugar. More cocoa, half cup, pure vanilla. Out the oven, mittens on, need the chiller. Big cake, I can feed it to a bridezilla. Make that cake.
Who the fuck is Nike Manaya? Can we learn how to spell people's names correctly? It's Nikkiminaj. Ninky is my favorite remake of her name, but we're not doing misspells right now. Well, I only like it because of that Vine. Beach each.
gross. I was just in bed, wig off, had makeup on, just covered in grease and French fry dust and oil, and just it wasn't pleasant.
Who's supposed to run? Please tell me who does that?